She's not talking to you.
He likes it.
Hey, what are you doing?
Well, it sounds like you still better.